Welcome to the MCPL Culinary Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're kicking off the season with a flavor-packed, guilt-free Dip-Palooza. Forget the heavy holiday sweets. We're proving that festive treats can be light, bright, and nourishing.
Yes, and first up is our Gingerbread Cheesecake Dip. This creamy wonder has all the heartwarming spice flavor you crave, but with a smart, lighter twist.
That's right. We've swapped in reduced fat cream cheese to keep the luscious texture while cutting down on saturated fats. You get to fully enjoy the holiday richness worry-free.
Even better. We also have loaded this one up with real holiday goodness. The deep, cozy flavor comes from molasses, which is actually rich in essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. It's a flavor boost with nutritional benefits.
Serve this vibrant dip with fresh apple slices, pear wedges, or crunchy whole wheat pita chips.
Yeah.
It's the perfect way to share a little holiday sparkle.
Oh, sparkle on we shall. We're gonna dive into this deep, refreshing chocolate mint Greek yogurt dip. Oh my goodness. This dip is a powerhouse of feel-good ingredients. I just mentioned them.
Well, the star here is Greek yogurt. It's fantastic for supporting gut and bone health, giving you a powerful boost of protein to help with muscle maintenance and keep you feeling satisfied longer.
Even better, Mom, once again. And we're using unsweetened cocoa powder. This isn't just for flavor. Cocoa is known to be rich in antioxidants, which can help support your cardiovascular and brain health. Pure pleasure that's genuinely good for you.
And finally, we have our bright and tangy key lime pie dip. If you love that tropical, zesty flavor, this lightened up recipe is for you.
Oh, it is for me, Mom. It is for me. But just like our gingerbread dip, we keep it light by using reduced fat cream cheese. This recipe captures the classic key lime pie flavor without the heavy traditional pie crust and the butter. That butter.
That butter.
That butter.
Well, it's super easy, refreshing, and tastes like the classic dessert.
Yes.
It's incredible with graham cracker thins, or better yet, served on a vibrant platter of gorgeous fresh berries or pineapple.
Oh, I love pineapple. So this season, celebrate with joy, knowing you can indulge in festive flavor without overloading on the heavy ingredients. Our Dip-Palooza is all about nourishing your body while savoring every single moment of the holiday season.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these bright, flavorful dips at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count.